In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get into TikTok Shop Creators Pilot Program. First, launch your TikTok app. Then, click on the search icon given at the top right. Now here, type in Creator Search Insight. With that, this option will appear. Click on View. Click on Explore now. Now at the top, you're going to find these options. You'll need to click on it. Then scroll all the way down, you're gonna find the option Apply for TikTok Shop Affiliate. Tap Apply. If you're eligible, you'll then see the Accept Invite button. Tap it and you'll officially join the TikTok Shop Creators Pilot Program. If you don't see the option, it means your account is not eligible yet. TikTok is still rolling this program out, so some accounts may not qualify. And that's it. That's how you get into the TikTok Shop Creators Pilot Program. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.